Hello, this is me, Flash 8. Today we will learn how to install best free VPN in Linux. In the beginning, I don't like use VPN. I prefer to use proxy chain because it's more secure. But for people who like to use VPN, this tutorial for you. First, we open the Firefox browser and type VPN box and click on the first website, and here we go, the website we will install from it. Then click on free VPN, and here we got some alert. There are no point-to-point downloading, and for who's don't know what the point-to-point downloading, I recommend for him to see the network course in this channel. And for now, I prefer to download US, so I click on it and wait for it until download is beginning. We click on OK and to make sure that choose save file option, and then to make sure that's installed, we open the terminal and type sudo apt install open VPN, and now we could see that it's installed. So let's clear the terminal, and go to downloads. So we type cd downloads, and let's see what there are using ls, and now we see our file is here. So let's unzip it using command unzip and type our file name. And when we list again, we see this file, and now we have many options. And to know the difference between TCP and UDP, go for network course right now because it's so important. But for now, I will choose UDP because it's faster than TCP, and between port 53 and 25,000 port, that doesn't make any difference. So take any one. Let's take 53 because it's shorter, you know. So now let's type sudo to get permission from the root, and open VPN, and paste the file name. And here we have important point. I have to make it clear for you. When you want to copy or paste something in the terminal, you have to use shift. So to copy here the file name, we use control plus shift plus C, and to paste it here we use control plus shift plus V. And now we want to use the username and password. So to know it, go to browser again and scroll down until you see username and passwords, and we return to the terminal and type both of them. Then wait seconds until it works. And now, as we see, sequence complicated. Congratulations, you have VPN right now. And here we are finished. I hope you like the course. Make sure like the video, subscribe to the channel, and go to next video of the series.